So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will be going to look at the Copilot Studio, right? So from the very beginning, let's get started. So all you have to do is just open your browser, type Copilot Studio on the Google. So it will redirect you to these links from the Microsoft. Before moving ahead, let me tell you why I am, approaching this way, because let's get more into the practical so that you will know eventually what and how the things will work. So before moving on to the theory, let's set up the copilot so that at least you will have a base, or you can say foundation developed, so that you can hit yourself onto the practicals directly. So before moving ahead, let me tell you, the Copilot is, as you know, it is an AI era in which Microsoft has released the Copilot for multiple platforms, right? So Studio is one of them. So Studio is a core platform in which you can build your AI agents, right? Autonomous agents, and you can bring most out of it, like value, I would recommend. So let's go to the first link. First link also you can go, and even on the second link, it will be the same thing, right? So I will follow this link. So Microsoft Copilot Studio. Once you will hit try for free, right? It will redirect you to this page that you have selected Microsoft Copilot Studio. So you have to sign up. Once you are done signing up, you have to put your email, create your account, and confirm details, right? So even if you don't have account, you can sign up and you can have a free trial ready for your account. So once you are done with this, it will redirect you to this page. Yeah, not this page. This is was my PPT. So as you have seen that I have entered all the details and I have created my account, and here is the confirmation detail, right? Thanks for signing up for the Microsoft Copilot Studio. Your username is this, right? So when you will click on get started, it will take you to this page, right? Welcome to Copilot Studio. Save time and cost on your routine and repetitive tasks. So from now we will get into the theory part of it, like what is it and how you can work on it. So parallelly, what I would recommend you to follow the steps I have told you earlier in this part of video, so that you will be following me, right? So it will be a hands-on directly. So welcome to Copilot Studio. Customize and deploy agent and agent flows in just few clicks. It is a low code no code platform where you can build your own AI agents or build your own natural language, our graphical interface, or code views. So you don't need to be a coder, like a hard code coder, but yeah, but basically you should have a basic understanding of how code works, or I would say all you should know about is just a cream or at the top layer of the overview, right? So now I will click on next. This is just for a brief for you guys. Powerful connected agent built by you. I will give you the feedback later. Powerful connected agents built by you, right? Agent are new apps for today's AI powered world. They can get relevant information, complete tasks, and run business processes in the background, so you can meet employee and customer needs sooner, right? It is built for the productivity basically, so that you can automate your tasks, your workflows, right? Build predictable automations with agent flow. Agent flow run the same way each time, giving you more control when you need it. Just describe what you want to automate to start building. As I have told you earlier, as also, that these are the part of automation, so that your day-to-day routine tasks should get automated, right? So you don't have to put your manual efforts again and again. So an AI agent will do it for you. So just to enhance productivity and improve efficiency for the employee as well as for the service providers, it is a good tool, I would say. Not a good tool, even uh, for a person who is not from a coding background. It is a, I would say, mm, a very good thing. Uh, okay, just skip. I'm not getting the right word. Manage all your agents tool in one place. Streamline your workflow with the new centralized tool page. Tool tools like actions, prompts, and agent flow can be managed and assigned to the agents here, as well as shared with other makers in your environment. So basically what the thing is, whenever you log into the Power Platform, so this is a part of Power Platform itself, like environments. As you can see it over here, environment is my default environment, right? So this is the default environment. You can create your environments, right? And you can work on them. You can build environments, right? You can build custom environments and so on. We will look those things in the upcoming parts. So this is as of now. Let's click on done. So once I am done, the interface will look like this. This is the environment ipu.ac, right? We have supported environment, and if you are an admin, Power Platform admin, you can create your own environment and accordingly, like according to your needs, right? According to the region and all. So we will not be focusing on that part in this video. So let's close this, and here here are the basic things like settings, right? General, theme, and here is your icon like avatar. You can view account. Let's get started. So on the left side you will see home, create, agent, flows, tools, and some more options, right? Power Platform, Power Automate, and these things. So what are these things? Before moving ahead, let's get back to the theory part, which is how this. So Copilot Studio, unleashing creativity and crafting custom AI solution with Copilot Studio. So as I have told you, you can build your own agents, your own AI solutions with no code, or you can say low code, right? So all you have to do is just drag and drop. But yeah, eventually you will have to have some of the knowledge so that you can play around. So he's the founder. This is the PPT directly from the Microsoft itself. So Copilot experience across the ecosystem, because you know that the Microsoft is a complete suite of application, right? So Copilot works with each and every application, whether you talk about Edge, right? Whether you talk about Teams, Outlook, and many other. So you can see on the operating system we have into Windows 11, which support Copilot. Security, Defender, Intune, this also support Copilot. From the browser, so these are the domains where we can find the Copilots so that we can leverage our solutions. And then we have data and AI. In the data and AI, we have Fabric, Power BI, Azure Synapse, and ADF like Data Factory, right? Along with this, we have AI Foundry and many more things. Along with this, let's cover the data and AI part. So we have already done that. Now let's move on to the modern work, which is our Microsoft 365. Because we have multiple modules of Copilot, whether you take it for the Power BI, whether you take it for the complete Office suite, right, and so on. So Microsoft 365 is complete for the whole productivity applications, which is our OneNote, Teams, Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, and so on, right? Which is our modern workplace, MWP and all. And then we have business applications, right? Like LinkedIn, Dynamic 365. Dynamic 365 is for like where we are dealing with businesses, products, right? Such as finance, supply chain, and many more. Even in ESG, sustainability, we do have the support for the Copilot. And then we have Power Platform, which is obviously Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Copilot Studio. So I have told you that this is a part of our Power Platform. So here you can see Copilot Studio comes under the Power Platform. Here you build your agent, you connect your Microsoft Copilot with it, and you can play around with all of the domains along with all of the particular areas. So this is the power. And at the last but not the least, we have developer such as GitHub, right? We do have visual codes and all from the Microsoft itself. So this is how Copilot experiences allow across the ecosystems. And let's move ahead. What is a Copilot? An experience using generative AI to assist human with complex cognitive tasks, right? Chat using natural language, right? You determine, guide, and approve the output. Its value increases with complexity. So this is what Copilot, your everyday AI companion, available on web, mobile, and Windows. So this is all about the UI and all, right? And then the Copilot for M365, your Copilot for personal productivity, M365 apps like Teams, Outlook, and Word. So this is also, I have told you, you can see it over here: graph data, LLM, 365 apps, and the internet. And this is what the UI for M365 Copilot looks like, work or web and so on. So here on these parts like PowerPoint, you will see the Copilot button over here, here, and here on the Excel, Word, and Outlook. I will showcase you how you can access it in the upcoming videos. And at the end, we have Copilot Studio. Build your own Copilot or extend M365 Copilots, right? So this is how it works, right? So from here we can build our agents and all. So this is all about the as a basic knowledge. We will dig in, but yeah, so far this is all. We will be continuing the session in the next video. So thank you.